Yes, you're.
Snap,
Yeah.
go away.
I'm stuck in the ball.
Hi.
This dude is the dude that gave us about 5 bags for the bars. So yeah.
More bags. I'll be right back. You. And how many balls did you play?
No, they're despawning. They're despawning. Come on.
And how many did you spawn?
Everybody, they're
I
despawning.
How many did you spawn, bro? How many did you just spawn? Take my stinky.
They're despawning, guys. Quickly grab them all.
What's so little, bro? I have boom spin. No. I don't have boom spin. Hey, bro. Sunlight. I'm gonna get stinky. How many? I'm gonna get blue. How many? Take my stinky. Take my stinkies. Take my stinkies.
Anyone ready for a party?
My eyes. Oh, my eyes. Oh. That's right, I can see now.
And I am black. My balls. 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 We need more balls.
Yeah, hold up.
Code ball. Code ball. I repeat, code ball. We need more balls.
Hey, hands up right
Everybody,
now.
throw the ones that. Everybody, throw the ones that are outside in. Throw the ones that are outside in. The hell?
Holy moly, man.
Why are there explosions? Guys, I can skate on your balls. Watch. Hey, yo, watch me.
Wow.
Wait, is no people?
Yo, everyone, I have a Christmas present. Guys, I got a Christmas present. Everyone, come here.
How are you? I would not go near that arcade chamber.
Hello. Everyone, come here. Don't move. Don't leave.
I'll be there in a sec.
I'm stuck.
Where's that?
Fun boy Alex.
I'm stuck in the ball.
What the hell are we doing?
Get in the corners!
Let's make a base.
Guys, get in the corners!
Let's make a base.
War, bro.
Get in the corner! Let's make a base for the balls! Everybody, get ready for surprise!
I just want to
Everybody go in
explode
class in that room! Everybody go in class in that room!
Oh my god. I'll save you! I'll save you! I'll save you with the ball! I'll save you with the ball! I'm flying!
Everybody shall fly! Everybody shall fly!
No ball left behind. No, my grappling hook. I can't get down, my grappling hook.
How many balls did you guys spawn again?
Hey, give me that back.
40,000.
Give me my grappling back.
40,000!
Yeah, he's
No!
exploded.
Get back here.
He's about to explode. I think he already exploded. Ah, my eyes! He's
Here's my
exploding
flashlight.
with the ball. Oh, he's angry. He's angry.
Gravity grenades.
There's a ball in the back.
Gravity
There's a ball in the
grenades.
back.
Gravity grenades.
There
Gravity
you
grenades.
are.
How many did you guys? How many balls did you guys spawn?
Fun boy.
This video's name is that you're gonna be playing with metal balls. In Animal
Why is there so many metal balls?
My video's name's gonna be like this. It's gonna be Animal Company messing around with metal balls. Help me!
How many balls did you spawn?
I believe I can fly out of my head. Help me!
Come on, everybody! Blind!
Oh, everybody, I'm gonna skate down. Ready? When I go down, I'm gonna skate down.
Balls are stage balls!
The balls!
Help me!
There you go, here's some
Help
more.
me! No! No!
Bro's trapped for eternity. Take the ball! Take the ball! Take the ball! Ah, my eyes! My eyes! My eyes! Take the ball! Take the ball! Get over here, boy! Take the ball!
Oh my god.
That's not a ball. What's that? Oh, my eyes! My eyes!
Son,
Not even ball.
son, come here, Belle.
Here's a ball.
Come here.
Who wants a ball to the head? Here you go. Ball.
Not enough balls.
Oh, what's this?
Oh.
Oh, what's that?
No.
Where is it? Oh, my eyes.
Come here, Giant Monk. Come here. Fly, everybody, fly. Follow me.
Get over here, boy. Look at me.
Hey guys, come here. Come here. Come here, guys. Guys, come here.
Robot. Robot.
Yo, can we? Why won't we ski? We can. That would. Let's do a skiing video.
Get in here. Why is your
Guys,
mother
why don't we do a skiing video?
I think my game's about to crash, man.
Well, my game is about to
What is
turn
happening
off.
over here, man?
Bro, how'd you clog the toilet? How'd you clog the toilet?
I'm not going into that.
Yeah, I'm going in. I'm going in. Oh my.
Unclog the toilet with the ball. Unclog the
Hey
toilet
guys.
with the ball. I need your help. Look, it's not. It's
Hey
clogged.
guys, does anybody own Robo Monkeys? Do you own Robo
You have
Monkeys?
to come to the sewers because it's clogged. The sewers is clogged.
Bro! No, bro, I'm going in. I'm going in.
The sewers
Bro,
are
I'm
not
going in.
clogged.
Someone took a massive dookie.
Everyone,
Bro,
I need your
no.
help.
How do you make this much
dump all the
mess?
balls in sewers.
Where's the Robo Monkey, dude? Where's
It's
the Robo?
clogged.
You. No, bro, I'm going in.
Do it.
I'm going in, bro.
Uh-oh. Yep. It's a bit clogged in there. You might need to be...
Oh my god, he's lagging.
My game!
Oh god.
Please!
My game.
No!
My game. Help me!
I'm being
Help me! I'm stuck in the balls.
My game is about to crash.
Stuck in the balls.
My game
I'm
is
stuck
about
in
to
the
Help!
sewers. I'm stuck in the sewers.
No.
Oh my god.
Look
at the
up.
What
ball.
have I created?
The bar!
Have I
I
started?
fixed it!
Oh, we're going down! We're going down! No! No! Nope. Nope. No!
No, I did! No, I didn't!
I'm out!
Kid.
I'm out! Holy moly, man.
Guys,
What?
clock line. Mine.
Oh, good. Oh, great. I'm stuck. Help me! I'm stuck. Don't let the balls drop in! God! Let me out! Please, let me out!
You guys.
Help us! Yes! There's a gap! There's a tiniest gap! Oh.
Yep, not anymore, mate. It's all getting clogged.
Someone try and make a hole! Someone try and make a hole in the surface! Someone try and make a hole in the surface so we can get out!
I'm trying. Come on.
Everybody, try using bombs! Try using bombs! Use bombs!
Everybody get some bombs.
Yeah, grenades! Get grenades!
I'm stuck. I'm getting... What is that sound effect? What are those sound effects? Get out.
There we go! I made it out! Guys, I
Why
made
is
it
there so
out!
much more?
Why? Why?
There's so much.
What did
So
you
much
do?
madness.
Let's clog mine. No, how do you make this much mess,
It's all
Bob?
mines.
No, you know what? I'm going
Why is
in.
there loads of
I'm
balls?
going in. Guys, clog mines. Come on,
Why is there
clog
so much
mines.
balls?
Clog mines. Wait, bro, y'all hear me? Y'all hear me? Help me!
No.
Help me! You wanna clog mines? You wanna clog mines?
I think he needs help with
Guys, help me! There's a massive blue toilet. I'm stuck.
Oh, yeah.
Are you okay, bro?
Ouch, my head. Oh my god. Ah! No, not me.
Unclog.
Not me.
Unclogging machine.
You're using a plunger.
stuck.
You
I
need
need-
to use a plunger, man. You need to use a plunger.
Okay, I'll get one. I'm stuck. Okay, there we go.
Get that plunger, man. Come on.
Everybody get plungers.
I don't think I can even afford a plunger, mate.
Oh, the hell? Dude,
Wait, can I even afford a plunger?
plungers.
Bruh.
I have plungers. Oh, there's a metal boost up there.
Ah, it's clog mines. Let's clog mines. Come on, let's clog mines.
Everybody save him.
Let's fill mines with balls.
Get rid of the balls. No, my hot gun. My hot gun. Where did my hot gun go?
I think this dude can't breathe in there. I don't know where the
Guys, you know where my hot gun
where-
is. I've
where-
lost my hot gun. Guys, I've lost my hot gun.
he fell in there.
Bro, the plunger's
He
not
fell.
working. Wait, I'm actually.
Oh my
Yeah,
god,
it's
I kind of
not
lost my
working.
hot gun. Guys, I kind of lost my hot gun.
Look down there. No, I'm stuck. Okay.
Yes.
Lou, I see you.
Ow! Everybody, I shall help. Ow! Kind of. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's play bowling. Let's go.
Ow! Ow! Help him!
Dylan, you
Help him!
Let me through.
Let me through! Let me
Wait,
Everybody, okay,
Wait,
chill.
that's satisfying. Wait, actually, look. Wait, look. That's actually satisfying. Look.
Stop! Stop! Going away.
Look. It's actually satisfying.
Oh my god.
Like
I
the way
cannot
it's
stop
kind of
laughing.
Hey guys, I'm gonna murder
Look, it's so
myself.
satisfying.
Oh, it actually fits. Oh my god, wait, satisfying.
That's so satisfying.
Oh my god!
Bro, it's so satisfying. Dude.
Stop! Stop!
I just
Stop!
look, all the balls are blocking the exit. Oh, oh wow. We're out.
We used all that.
Not to.
Yo guys, I'm doing back.
Get the hell back down there.
Let me. Let me
It's
go.
just satisfying. Bro. It's just satisfying.
Oh, but the bars don't work. The bars are not bars. The bars are not barling. No. No.
Sorry.